I'm really excited to try out this planter box this summer. One goal I had with this planter box is to see if I could use this with all free material, not having to buy compost or topsoil or anything like that. On the website, it shows actually using sticks, compost, and other things, and I wanted to see if I could do that. So I filled this up with sticks from a tree I cut down a week ago. Then I went and found some leaves from about a year ago. It's pretty nice compost. It's got some sand in there, which might help. Then I put in some bark mulch that I got from Chip Drop a year ago, and then I did put in a little bit of topsoil. It's mostly just clay, just whatever we had in our yard. So I'm gonna report in a year from now, see how things go. This was sent to us so I could make this video, and I've been really impressed with it so far. The process of putting this together, it was really easy, but it did take quite a while. Here you can see my wife setting it up. You just put all the pieces together. Now it does have a bunch of these wing nuts and screws, and I found the easiest way to put it together was just to put the wing nuts on the screws, not tighten it or anything, and then when you're all done, go through with an electric screwdriver or drill and just tighten all the wing nuts. You can do it really quick. My wife did try to put on the rubber protection on the top, and as I used this, it just kept on coming off, so I did away with it. But overall, it's really sturdy. I like it. The color is nice. It's a really cool planter box. I'm excited to use it. I'm gonna do another video in a year and dig down and see how everything is and see how well a planter box like this works.